Assalamualaikum friends and welcome back to my channel Saba's Kitchen Diaries. Today I'm making chicken and curry Khaousey. It is a popular street food from Karachi which was originated from Burma. So if you are not from Karachi, not to worry, just prepare this tasteful dish at home in simple easy steps.
If you're liking my content so far, subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on so you're always notified on time. Now, let's get started. is ready. So friends, you just have to try this recipe because it's going to blow your mind. And do tell me in the comment section below that you loved it or not. And to support me, just subscribe my channel and turn the notifications on so you are always notified on time. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.